My name is Sarah Odioso, and I am nominating Dr. Julie Cantillon, the Associate Superintendent of Schools at the Diocese of San Diego, for the Lead, Learn, Proclaim Award. Dr. Cantillon is the definition of a leader in schools today. She works with teacher liaisons from different school sites in the Diocese of San Diego to help curate professional development that is meaningful and useful to all teachers in subject matters from kindergarten all the way up to middle school. Her main focus is to make sure that all teachers in the Diocese of San Diego are growing so that all students in the Diocese of San Diego are learning and growing as well. She supports rigorous academic programs and helps support teachers in incorporating faith across, again, all content matter from kindergarten or pre-K up through the middle school level. I have seen her actively engage in all sorts of professional development, from subject matter, math, site leader content areas to one of the strands of learning for the diocese throughout the year. Finally, the Catholic identity and Catholic faith is at the center of all of our learning and focuses that growth for teachers and students throughout all of our professional development.